Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today our subject is math and the class is grade 2. Today our topic is addition of two-digit numbers. In today's lesson we will add two-digit numbers. So students, are you ready? Let's get started. In our first example we will add these numbers. Here we have a first question in which we will add 13 into 41. Do you know which number we will add first? Yes. First we will add ones column in which we will add 3 into 1. Here we have one apple and we have 3 more apples. Let's count how many apples are there all together. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 apples. So here we will write 4 in ones column. Now let's move on to the tens column. Here we will add 1 into 4. We have 4 apples here and have 1 more apple. Let's count how many apples we have all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 apples, so here we will write 5. So overall the answer is 54. It means that when we add 13 into 41, the answer comes 54. So here the answer is 54. Now let's move on to the next example in which we will add 24 into 55. Here also we have ones and tens columns. Which column we will add first? Yes, we will add ones column first, in which we will add 4 into 5. Let's add. We have 5 apples and 4 more apples. Do you know how many apples are there all together? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 apples. So here we will write 9 in ones column. Now we will solve tens column in which we will add 2 into 5. Let's solve. We have 5 apples here and 2 more apples. Let's count how many apples we have all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 apples. So here we will write 7 in tens column. So overall the answer is 79, which means when we add 24 into 55, the answer comes 79. So here the answer is 79. Oh wow, here we have another example in which we will add 12 into 34. Here also we have ones and tens column, and first we will solve ones column in which we will add 2 into 4. Let's add them. Here we have 4 apples and 2 more apples. Do you know how many apples do we have all together? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 apples. So here we will write 6 in 1's column. Next we will solve 10's column, in which we will add 1 into 3. We have 3 apples and 1 more apple. Let's count how many apples we have all together. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 apples. So here we will write 4 in 10's column. So overall the answer is 46, which means when we add 12 into 34, the answer comes 46. So here we will write 46. So students, here we have some more examples and we have to solve them too. Here we have, in a cricket match, Shahid made 53 runs. Moise made 41 runs. How many runs did they make altogether? Here we will find out the total runs that Shahid and Moise made. Now tell me how many runs Shahid made? Yes, 53. So here we will write 53, which means 5 tens, 3 ones. How many runs did Moise make? Yes, he made 41 runs, which means 4 tens, 1 1. So here we will write 4 tens, 1 1. Now tell me which column do we add first? Yes, 1's column. So here we will add 1's column first. So we will add 1 into 3. When we add 1 into 3, what number comes? Yes, 4. So here we will write 4 in 1's column. Now coming to the tens position, we will add 10's column, in which we have 5 and 4. When we add 4 into 5, what number comes? Yes, 9. 9 comes when we add 4 into 5. So overall, what number comes? 94. 94 comes when we add 41 into 53. It means Shahid and Moise made 94 runs altogether. Here is another example, that is, in Afshan's house there are 15 dogs and 12 cats. How many animals are there altogether? Here in this question, we will find that how many animals are in Afshan's house. Now students, you tell me how many dogs are there in Afshan's house? Yes, 15 dogs. So here we will write 15, which means 1 10, 5 ones. So here we will write 1 10, 5 ones. And how many cats in her house? Yes, 12 cats, which means 1 10, 2 ones. So here we will write 1 10, 2 ones. Now we will add 1's column first. Now tell me, when we add 2 into 5, what number comes? Yes, 7. So here we will write 7 in 1's column. Next we will add 10's column. When we add 1 into 1, what number comes? When we add 1 into 1, the number comes 2. So overall, what number comes? Yes, 27. When we add 12 into 15, the number comes 27. That means there are 27 animals in Afshan's house. That's all about today's lesson. Hopefully you understood today's lesson. Here I have put some examples and you have to solve them. And after solving these examples, you have to attempt Countdowns book page number 25 as your homework. Hope you all will do well. Thank you.